What's up, everybody? C Block Rascal, about to show you some Cadillac options on this 1991. And what I mean by Cadillac options, I mean pretty rare options. Alright guys, first of all, let me show you a rare option. This is a rare option right here. This is a 1991 Cadillac Brougham, and it has a CD player. Okay, I mean, I don't remember even having a CD in 1991. So it's a CD player and a cassette tape player. That's a rare option for these Cadillacs. Another rare option on these cars. See this speaker pod right here? Usually they only come with the ones right here and the ones in the rear, but this one has factory installed speaker pods. That was another rare option on these cars. Okay. Man, these cars were made beautiful. Another rare option on these Cadillacs is the Genie. You can program this to your garage Genie and get it in and out, and you can also there's a switch and take it with you. Take it out, slides out, the Cadillac door comes down. Cadillac once you take it out, the Cadillac lid comes down and it'll just say Cadillac, and then you can take the Genie with you. That's another rare option on this car. Let me show you guys another rare option. By the way, this Cadillac still has the tape player. The tape. This is a Cadillac. It's music that they give you when you first purchase this car brand new in those days. Okay. Very rare option right here. So see this right here? Not every Cadillac has that. You have to order that if you bought this car brand new. So this right here, what it does, believe it or not, it locks your license plate so you can't get to the gas tank. So right now I pushed it back so I can open it. You see guys, and there goes the gas cap. Now I'm gonna go ahead, let it go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. Locked it. Now I can't lower it down. It's locked. Pretty cool feature for those days, so they won't steal your gas. Pretty nice feature. Also, cell phone still in the back. Spare tire still brand new. This is a beautiful car, in and out. So just to show you a few rare. You see the power trunk still works. Rare options on these cars. If you look at these Cadillacs, not all of them have the speaker pods, and not all of them have the Genie, and not all of them have the CD. I mean, I have never seen one with a CD player. This is like my first time. This is my first time seeing one with a CD player. Pretty nice. So yeah, that's a very nice option. And as you can see, this car is well maintained, one owner, 63,000 miles. Very, very well kept. See, for you guys that have never been in a Cadillac, it has recline on the driver's seat, so the seat reclines all the way down. You want to take a nap. This is tilt for the seat, back, forward, power windows, power locks, power side mirrors. Beautiful car. And I just wanted to show the rare options on these cars. Let me close this door, guys. (1991) Cadillac. I think the 90 and 90 all the way to 92 Brougham, the Fleetwood edition, this kind, the big ones, I love them. They're nice, they're beautiful. The fact that they're from 1990 to 1992, they came with the halogen clip. Thanks. Thank you. They came with these plastic inserts. See these plastic side moldings, which makes the Cadillac, it just makes it look so beautiful. This is a Brougham. I know besides the Brougham, there's the Elegance. And the Elegance, you know, it brings different kind of seats. It brings the buttons seats. These don't have the button seats, but there's no difference at all. And some of them of the Elegance, they bring the 5.7 engine. This one has the 5.0 engine. Let me make sure. But I'm sure it's the 5.0. Yep. 5.0. Wait. I don't know, it says 5.0 right there, but then in the bottom it says 5.7. Maybe someone that knows can, you guys can put me straight on this, because I don't know why it says 5.0 and 5.7. I'm confused. Yeah, this is a one-owner car, guys. One-owner Cadillac Brougham. Always garage kept. You already know it's got brand new Royal Seals. For you guys that don't know, they don't make Royal Seals anymore. You cannot buy these tires anymore. But these were purchased in those days. I guess the owner had put them on, the original owner. They're still brand new, literally brand new. This car has had a strike. How can I say that word? You know what? I'm sorry about that. Let me forget about this fancy word. But this car has been basically babied. And the reason I say babied is because it's always been garage kept in a climate control garage. The owner was very, how can I say, he was very responsible. He made sure that he took care of this car. He He did anything that it needed. Any maintenance, always went to the dealer for any little thing. Yeah, guys, there you go. One owner Cadillac, 63,000 original miles. All right, guys, I'll cut this video short. Hey, shout out to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. And the rest of the guys, that if you like old school cars, subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you some nice cars. All right, buddy. C Block Rascal out.